Okay, truth be told, I just had so I had a beautiful video filmed for you yesterday, and that totally got messed up. The freaking white noise was just going off. It was bad. It's really cold, by the way, so I have a cute fuzzy jacket on. Also, I have a skin emergency on my hands because I've been filming a bunch of looks on Instagram, and I was actually sick not too long ago. I had to go to the emergency room because they thought I had appendicitis. I didn't have appendicitis. I just had, I believe it was like a cyst that popped in my ovaries, and that's what was causing all the pain. I'm good now. My body's just kind of like trying to purge everything out. It's a mess. So anyways, when you have a skin emergency, this is not a at-home facial video. This is not how to get clear skin. This is just how to calm your skin down when you are trying to resist every urge in your body to pick at it, because that's where I'm at right now. Like, I just want to pop every pimple in my face, but I know they're not ready, and I'm just gonna cause more scarring. I went to Target in a rush, and I picked up this guy, which is the Thayer's Witch Hazel with aloe vera. This is the unscented one. I've always wanted to try it. I see Karen use it all the time, and I really love Karen, so I'm gonna use it. So I literally have 2 cotton rounds left. I need to go buy some more. I ordered some off of Amazon, but they never got here. I really gotta look into that. Honestly, my face was pretty clean. So the next thing I picked up was the Aztec Secret Clay. This is the Indian Healing Clay. It says it's the world's most powerful facial, deep pore cleansing, 100% natural calcium bentonite clay. So I had my first impressions on it yesterday. Literally, these pimples were so much more inflamed. It says here, directions. Mix clay with equal parts of raw apple cider vinegar and or water. I don't have apple cider vinegar, so I'm just gonna use water. Use a non-metal bowl and utensil. Stir the mixture well to a smooth paste. Add more clay or liquid as needed. Let dry for 5 to 10 minutes for delicate skin. So I have a little bowl of water here. So I'm just gonna mix the clay. So this only cost me about $8. I'll link it down below. You get a lot of freaking clay, and you do not need this much. I know it said don't use a metal utensil, but okay, so now I'm gonna apply it again. Okay, so now we have a cute little layer. So I'm just gonna read what it claims to do. So it says facial acne body wraps, clay baths, foot soaks, chilled day for chilled clay for knee packs, and insect bites. Okay, enjoy the benefits of clay in your own home. Beautify and refresh. Okay, it says feel your face pulsate. A lot of people have used this. I'm really late to the train, but I kind of wanted to try her out, so here we are. Oh shit, I gotta set a timer. So I am setting my timer for 10 minutes. It's literally been like a few seconds and I'm already starting to feel a little tingle. Okay, so there is 4 minutes left. My skin is starting to get a little tighter. It's halfway dry. My skin is just like tingling. It's like it's pulling, you know? I was waiting for that. I have a bowl of warm water here. I'm just gonna dip a towel in here. Hopefully I can do this while making a mess. Damn. Trying to make it ASMR for you. Oh, it hurts. Make sure you get it off on your neck. One time when I was in esthetician school, I left a whole ring of mask on someone's neck. I'm just gonna continue with my skincare routine. I am just gonna spritz some elixir on. This is from Banish Skincare. It's vitamin C beauty elixir. And I'm just gonna go in with my favorite tea tree oil. This is from Advanced Clinicals. This is just to kind of soothe the skin. So I don't really take much. I take about like 2 little drops. I've used this in the past, and I just press it into the skin. So this is just basically what I do when I have a skin emergency. No one feels pretty when their skin is going south. I really like this mask. If you want to check it out for yourself, I will link it down below. If you've tried it before, let me know what you think, and if you do end up trying it, also let me know what you think. Okay, I will see you guys next week. Bye bye.